guys, welcome to a special edition of Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, we are going to do a special edition here on this JennAir oven. It is not heating. The bottom element is not heating up. So this is something you can do at home with simple tools. So let's get at it. So to do this job, all you really need is a simple household toolkit, because all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you want to go the extra mile and get you a digital multimeter, that could come in handy. Here's my new sticker. If you guys haven't seen that yet, Rich's Mowers and Blowers on eBay, you can find that. And this is the new heating element, and that is the model number. All right, so let's go ahead and investigate this. We will get these racks out of the way. These just slide out. And then you can get to your heating element. So your heating element is just attached by those two screws in there. And it's a bit number 1 for a Phillips head. We will remove that and show you how to use a voltmeter on it. Alright, so we got the screws taken out of it. You want to just gently pull this out. There are wires attached to it. Alright, so we got that out. I don't know if we can get you in there for a closer look, but the wires are just clipped on there. So you're just going to pull that off, unclip it like that. Make sure that wire doesn't fall back in there. We don't want that to happen. There we go. So, and now it is released. So, just the standard clip that goes on here, like that. So we're going to go ahead and test this. So if you have one of these voltmeters, digital multimeter, you want to put it on the ohms, which is that little symbol right there. We'll turn it on. And when you touch these together, it'll make a connection. So see as it connects. So what you're going to do is you're going to touch one to each side of this, and it'll make the connection and make that number go up. And it's not jumping up. It keeps moving, so we'll try it until we get it. Not working whatsoever. So there's no solid connection between that, so we know that's a bad heating element. Alright, let's go get the new one. Alright, so we got the new one. So hopefully we are getting this. And we're going to touch these together. This thing just wants to move, so let's fix this thing right now. Let's get one going one way, one going the other way. There we go. How's that? Now when I pull it, it probably won't pull. So as I touch that, you can see that it jumps up. So this one is connecting. Hopefully you can see that. My arm wasn't in the way. Try it again. So there you go. So it is reading. That's all we're looking for. We don't care about the numbers. We just want to make sure that that's connecting. So and then all we're going to do is plug that back in, push that back in, put the screws back in it. So let's get at it. Alright, so we'll get you a little closer in here, and you'll see how that actually connects on there. So it's, don't know if I can't do it while I'm holding the camera, but you can see the connectors there. They just go slip right on there. So we'll go ahead and put those on and screw it back in. So we got the connectors on, and just push that back in there. Then the only thing we have to do is put the screws back in it, and we'll be golden. So we ended up putting the screws back in there. And if you guys didn't know, your model number somewhere could be on different models, different places. This is the tag for this one right there. So and it is a DownDraft, so there's no hood to it, so all the air gets sucked down in the middle, goes out. Let's get these racks back in there. And these easily just slide in, just like that. There we go. So if you guys never seen a DownDraft, that's what that is. There's no vent up above it. And now it's time to try it out. So we can go on bake. There, it's set at 375, 350. And it's going to preheat. So let's see if this thing heats up. Oh yeah, I felt the heat on it. It is getting hot. So we'll let that heat up for a minute. See what the temperature goes up to. It wouldn't really get past 100 before. So we will check it in a few minutes. Oh yeah, so there we go. She is glowing red now. Still at 100, but it's getting hot. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on this special edition of the JennAir heating element. So it's a bake element, I think it's actually called. If you want to do that, search for it, type in JennAir bake element, and you'll find it just like that. Now, hey, if you guys want to support the channel, go over to eBay. You'll find me there. Get this sticker, and it'll be mailed out to you. And this helps me do this video and help me fund things that I do, like the special edition. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers special edition. Psh. If you guys like this special edition, just click on this next video and you will find some more great stuff that I do. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if this helped you out.